Hey guys, now it's time to start a discussion about abstract classes. So what are abstract classes? In Java, an abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated on its own and is typically used as a base class for other classes. It serves as a blueprint for other classes and may contain abstract methods, concrete methods, or a combination of both. Again, you cannot create with abstract classes objects. An abstract class in Java cannot be instantiated on its own. It is meant to be subclassed by other classes, and objects can only be created from those subclasses. So if you have an abstract class animal and you try to create an instance with that animal class, you can't, because abstract classes cannot be instantiated. Abstract classes can have both abstract and concrete methods. Abstract classes can contain both abstract methods without a body and concrete methods with an implementation. Concrete methods in abstract classes can be inherited as it is by subclasses or overridden if needed. Abstract classes may have constructors. Abstract classes can have constructors which are called when an instance of a concrete subclass is created. The constructor of abstract class is responsible for initializing common properties or performing common tasks that are applicable to all subclasses. Now let's create an abstract class called vehicle. So abstract class vehicle curly braces is gonna have two fields: private name, string name, and private int age, semicolon. It's gonna have a constructor, so I'm gonna type public vehicle. I'm gonna type here string name int age. I'll type this dot name equals to name, semicolon. This dot age equals to age, semicolon. Now let's create two methods. I'm gonna type here abstract void move, semicolon, abstract void stop, parentheses. So we don't provide a body for those methods. We're gonna provide the body when we're gonna implement or we're gonna inherit from this abstract class. Now let's create another class here called, let's type class car curly braces, and if you go here, it says duplicate class found in the, so we have this two times. Let me check. Alright, so I need to delete it from here. Alright, and I'll type here Control O. I'm gonna type public car parentheses. I'm gonna type here string name int age. I'll type here super, but first let's inherit from the abstract class. So I'm gonna type here extends vehicle. As you can see, it says implement methods or make the car abstract. So let's type implement methods, press enter. Now we have those methods overridden in our car class. Now here I'm going to type super name and age, because now we're calling the super constructor of this vehicle class. And I'm going to say SOUT the car plus this dot name. Let's type super dot name. I can't. Let's make them public. So let's make those public. Super.name is moving. and here SOUT the car plus super.name. So using the super keyword to access the field from the super class, from the class that which you are inheriting, plus has stopped. Alright, now let's create an instance. So let's type here car equals to new car. Now here we need to pass a name. Let's say Tesla red. Should be age here. So let's say maybe this car is 7 years old. I can type here car dot move and car dot stop. So now if I run this, I get the car Tesla is moving and the car Tesla has stopped. And I can create another, I can create here a plane, and I can override those move and stop methods which are defined in the abstract class, and I can provide its own the specific implementation for a plane, so how a plane is moving. So this is how we can use abstract classes. Alright, I'll end this video here and see you in the next video.